There was a man in Temple working to prove he is alive.
He tells us he hasn't been able to get his Social Security and Medicare benefits because a nursing home mistakenly labeled him dead.
6 News anchor Adriana Alexander has the details in the 6 Fix Investigates. Hey, Adriana.
Hey guys, 73-year-old Robert Amerman depends on daily medications to manage several health conditions. But for months, getting those medications has been a struggle because a mistake in his medical records listed him dead last year. 73-year-old Robert Amerman is alive and well, but not according to his medical records.
They're saying he died back in September of 2025.
After staying at 2 different Temple nursing facilities between September and December last year, Amerman and his friend Michael Greer say someone entered the wrong Social Security number into Amerman's records, leading the system to incorrectly list him as deceased on September 17, 2025.
Nobody wants to accept responsibility. The hospital says it wasn't them. The first nursing home said it wasn't them.
Since then, his medication has not been covered by his insurance, leaving him to pay more than $1,000 out of pocket. Living with cerebral palsy and being visually impaired, Amerman says he needs to visit the doctor often. But that's been nearly impossible since medical records label him dead.
I don't know what would happen if I was in an emergency situation and showed up. If they would unearth something like, oh, you don't have anything.
During our interview, a representative with United Healthcare called Mr. Amerman and was baffled by his situation.
I'm still showing here that it is showing as he is deceased.
During the call, the representative said United Healthcare had listed him as deceased because Medicare records also showed him as deceased, and the company relies on that information. They assured Amerman and Greer that they would contact Medicare to fix the problem. They both say they'll believe it when they see it.
I'm still hopeful that at some point somebody's going to get it right.
Very peculiar situation. We will continue to follow this 6 Fix Investigates as United Healthcare say they plan to work with Medicare to resolve this issue for Amerman as soon as possible.
Yeah, we definitely want them to get that fixed. Adriana, thanks for letting us know. 6 News is here to help. If you have a problem for a 6 Fix, send us an email at 6fix@kcentv.com.